Oh, Veronica's over there. Oh, okay. Alrighty, Ashley and Rain, whenever you're ready, you two can begin.
Now for Sophie to come on out. I'd like to thank you all for coming. We all are gathered here today to celebrate this beautiful union of two of our close friends. If you two would stand up closer to the pulpit. I'd like to thank everybody for coming and taking time for these two beautiful people. Rain. Do you take Sophie to be your wife, to live together in matrimony, to love and to cherish her unconditionally, to honor and keep her in sickness and in health, to have and to hold from this day forward? Sophie, do you take Rain to be your wife, to live together in matrimony, to love and cherish her unconditionally, to honor and to keep her in sickness and in health, to have and to hold from this day forward?
Yeah, I do.
Wonderful. Rain, please declare your love and any vows you may have. Sophie, please declare your love and any vows you may have.
Well, it's been 2 years, and I just, despite all of the moments which have possibly been a bit of a mess sometimes, some some things have been going quite well. Some things, I mean, that's just life, isn't it? Though, and even if there are these ups and downs, I think through it all, I want to see and experience more of those ups and downs with you, and just see you there and love you like I do. That's all.
Thanks. Would you two please look around among your audience to see everyone gather here to celebrate this your beautiful love? You two have brought a very wonderful and beautiful presence to this group, and your love is celebrated, honored, and appreciated. You may now kiss the bride. If you have a glass, please raise a toast. Alright, now go on your honeymoon.
Woo!
Would the best man and maid of honor please walk the brides out the door dramatically?
Oh, Sophia and Rain, I got a great wedding gift for you two. You two want copies of Peak? You guys can go on a great vacation where nothing goes horribly wrong.
No, I have
our ceremony. Thank you all for coming. You can, start speaking now. Have fun. Enjoy.
Yeah.
Hang out time.
Awesome.
I kiss my wife.
No, we're at a formal event,
Okay.
Suho.
Would the brides appreciate if there was a stabbing at your wedding?
No. Don't
Would the
ask.
brides appreciate it if there was a stabbing at your wedding? Not a stabbing of Rain, a stabbing of Dink.
Oh.
Sophie, are you for attacking Dink?
yes.
Wonderful.
1 second.
Attack!
1 second. Oh boy. 1 second.
Charge! Oh, somebody
Okay.
Oh,
I gave Rain Sophia.
trying to
I gave Rain Sophia stabbing devices.
Why are you small?